RVTechCourse.com asked us to develop a training program for RV owners, we decided to put together the most comprehensive list of topics to help you do more than just simple repairs and maintenance. It's the first program designed to save you time and money by giving you the confidence to know what's actually going on with your RV. If you own the RV or are thinking of buying one, stick with me for a few seconds because you're gonna want to hear what we have decided to do with this program. We all know prices, just about everything is going up. Due to inflation, we're even considering raising the prices of our home study course. That is, until we made the decision to use this program as a tool to make a difference in the RV community. It's hard to put a number on just how much money you'll save when you're able to maintain and repair your own RV issues, because things are always breaking down. And if you're not maintaining high-dollar items, dealing with shorter lifespans and high replacement costs. Here's the big news. We've decided to launch the new RV maintenance and repair home study course at a much lower price to help you save even more time and money in the long run. Our goal is to try and offset the rising cost of the RV lifestyle by empowering you to save yourself money. Visit RVTechCourse.com today and get on the path to becoming an educated RV owner. That's RVTechCourse.com, RVTechCourse.com.